up, Salingan?
What's up, mga silingan?
What's up, mga silingan?
My name is Pai.
I'm Kia. I'm Jana.
This is Donald and
You're watching MJ's videos.
you are watching MJ's video.
You're watching MJ's videos.
Click and subscribe.
Click like and subscribe.
Bye!
The world loves coffee, and as a Filipino, I grew up having coffee with pandesal. But once the pandesal is gone and the coffee pot is empty, I've discovered a way to continue enjoying my morning cup of joe by taking the remaining coffee grinds from the kitchen to the bathroom to be used as an exfoliant. So in this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a facial scrub with just two items: leftover coffee grinds and coconut oil.